Most learners say actually wrong, and it makes you sound basic. Here's the smart way to use it. If you use actually like this, I actually went to the market for no reason, it sounds unnatural. Many English learners overuse it or place it randomly in sentences. Native speakers use actually to correct, clarify, or emphasize a fact. For example, I actually like pizza. Sounds random. I thought you didn't like pizza, but I actually do. Correctphasis. Another example, she actually is coming. Awkward. She is actually coming tonight. Natural. Correct. Whenever you say actually, ask yourself, am I correcting someone, clarifying, or emphasizing? If yes, use it. If not, skip it. Use actually the smart way and watch your English sound smarter instantly. Want to sound smarter in English? Hit subscribe and learn English with me daily.